Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I bring you along Santa Elena Fun Farms. My friends arranged this trip because you need prior reservation before visiting the farm. So thank you Sina and family. Before our little tour, let me remind you to please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and please click on the bell button so you're notified if I have new videos up.
Sige nga, higa ka dyan, Lee. Oo nga. Oo.
Here at Santa Elena Fun Farms, there are several activities that you can do. So here we are at the sandbar. The kids really enjoyed playing in the sand, and there's a little obstacle course that even my sister tried. You can get down and dirty and remove your shoes if you want to, but the kids decided to keep them on. Here's some swings. The toddlers really enjoyed it, and I also tried doing this obstacle course, but I can't. Anyway, there's an old truck and a golf cart that the kids really enjoyed riding because they like pretend driving. And here is an old tire that they used as a swing, and it's so funny because Nico just looked like he was about to fall asleep.
Hey, Nico.
At the entrance, you can buy food. So there's fish food and also carrots to feed the animals inside. They're about 10 to 30 pesos. I forgot how much exactly, but 10 to 30 pesos per pack. And here are the kids feeding or trying to feed the turtles carrots. And it's so wild that the turtles are so used to this. They actually grab the carrots and just bring it to the water. I noticed that there are a lot of animals running around in the farm. There's chickens, some rabbits. Now we are at the fish feeding section. There's a lot of big fish. I think these are koi. It was the first time that the twins are this close to big fish like this, and they really enjoyed feeding the fish. Here's Nicolet not wanting to leave the fish feeding section.
Oh, wow! Yay! Look! Look!
You gave the rabbit to Nia. Yay!
Yeah, carrot. Fish. We're going that way. Going that way.
Then it was one of my favorite activities, horseback riding. So it's actually the first time that my kids are riding a horse. Even Robyn hasn't ridden a horse yet. So the first kid is Nico. So Nico is riding a mini horse, and he was so brave riding the horse all by himself. Kuya was there right beside him, just holding his leg just to be sure. Right after Nico, it was Nia's turn. So at that time, there was only one mini horse available. So after Nico, it was Nia's turn. She's riding the same mini horse that Nico used. And right in front of Nia is Ate Robyn. Robyn is riding a big horse. My husband decided to go with Nia because he wanted to make sure that Nia's hearing devices don't fall off. So here's Ati with her big horse. She was a little nervous at first, she said. She said she didn't want to let go. But she ended up really enjoying it as well. And she liked that she get to ride the big horse like this. Each person got 2 rounds riding the horse. And then it was time to ride the Carabao. I gave Robyn the GoPro to take a few video clips while riding the Carabao, but it was really shaky, and she said that they almost fell a few times. This clip, however, was taken by my sister, who was right beside them, just following them. So the highlight of the trip will probably be ziplining. All of the kids really enjoy doing it. At first, I was nervous, especially for the twins, but the kuya reassured me that it's safe and the twins can ride the zipline. They seemed to enjoy it because they kept going back to the tree house for more. Here is Nico with my sister Lian. My girls Robyn and Nia's turn. Of course, Robyn got to ride the zipline with her friend Light as well.
Green. What, the first one? Red. Okay. And then purple. And then red. What color is this, Nico? Green. Yellow. Green. Okay. Let's go here, oh. Nico. Nice one. Good job. Pop. The balloon pop. What is this? Yellow. Red. Blue. Purple. Yay! High five. Let's go out. You wanna go out now? Say hi first. Hi. Ati, where are we going? The rabbit's den. Which side is rabbit? Yes. And I think Nico also.
We went to the rabbits also and fed them, but they were quite aggressive, so I wasn't able to take videos anymore. I was really concentrating on making sure that the kids don't get bitten. There was also a tree house for the big kids. So Light and Robyn tried to climb up the tree house and they were able to successfully do it. Robyn said that it was very difficult and tiring, but she was able to do it, so I'm very proud. Sometimes we just have to trust them and really encourage them to do things, even if they're scared. And when they do it, we have to be there to applaud them. So that is it for our little trip to Santa Elena Fun Farms. I hope that you enjoyed watching and I'll see you in the next one.